katigasin. Say good morning, Zain.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. Ayan, school break. So day 1 swimming lesson of Zain, Sam, and Seth. Are you excited, Zain?
Yeah.
Swimming. Ayan mga katigasin. School break. Swimming lesson. Ayan. Papunta na kami mga katigasin sa swimming.
Yeah, entering.
We're entering where? Where? Can
Christchurch.
where? We're entering. Can you?
We're entering Christchurch
Yeah.
to go to.
Your vlog, come on.
And it's so.
Yeah.
And
It's
it's
so windy.
windy.
Yeah, yes. Come on.
It's windy.
Yeah.
And it's very windy.
So how far is the swimming place?
You need more of this place.
I don't know.
20 minutes away.
Huh?
Oh wait, I remember.
Just
Go to your right and then you turn left.
Huh?
It's this. You turn right. I know where to go after.
Oh, I remember.
You remember where?
It goes there.
Oh, yeah.
I don't
No, wrong way. Okay, go straight and to the left.
The one with the tennis court.
Set.
Somebody walks on.
Did you? Set. Oh, Set and Sam. Malaki na si Set and Sam. Oh. Hindi na si Set. And Zain. Wala. Oh. Before Zain is too little.
Yeah.
But now Zain is too big now. Because he eats a lot.
No, he just.
Huh?
Say that one.
Just. Okay, mga katigasin.
Get a lot, bro.
See you again later. See you again later, guys.
See you.
Zero.
Okay.
Zero.
Ayun mga katigasin, nandito na kami sa
We have made it today. Fast
Where?
forward, please.
Aswad. Dito na kami
Yeah, now in
sa
the
swimming area.
And now my shoes have rocks in it.
Your shoes is?
Having rocks in it.
Oh dear. Nag-iipon ka ba ng mga rocks? Ito mo.
No mind, it's just a wood thing.
Okay. Hold my hand. How many meters?
What is up there?
That's
There's people living
Yeah.
there.
when they're playing track and field.
What? Why are there people living there?
This is a sports, not Eppley, sports complex. Eppley, it's sports.
Pulls off that head.
Yeah. I think they're playing football as well here.
Another thing.
Huh? What?
Yeah, I got.
Ayan, nandito na kami.
We are entering.
We're entering where?
We are entering the swimming.
Here we go. Nandito na kami, mga katigasin.
No.
Here we are. Zain, look at me. Say, here we are.
Here we are. It's sunny.
Ayun na guys. Ready na si Sam and Zain. Come on. Say hello. Say ready.
Yes, he's already. Say. No, take this off. Yeah, you should go. Go. If you go, I saw where the swimming cup. What's the point? Is it just to cover the?
Ayun, tapos na ang day 1. What can you say, boys? Huh?
Huh?
What can you say?
It was good.
Okay, tayo na. Ayan, mga katigasin. Away na kami. Day 1 finish. Tomorrow, Nana will bring you here, okay? Oh, it's raining, boys. Are you alright, Seth? Sam?
You don't have a breakfast for when it's raining.
Come on. We go now. Come
Ho, ho, ho.
on. See you again tomorrow.
See you.
Bye-bye.